For sending and receiving virtual waves, we are using public broker. We are using the EMQS public broker. So you can see that we have connected to the public broker. So I am using the software called MQTTX. They are provided by EMQX. So I am connected to the broker as a client. So after connecting that, I have subscribed to the topic called SIT 210. So whenever a message come to the this topic, I can see and also I can publish some message. For example, I'm publishing a message. You can see that available under this topic. So that's how we are connecting people who are connecting to the broker topic. So that is basically what happening behind the scene when we send and receive a virtual wave. So this is for the Arduino code we are using. So we are using Wi-Fi library and PubSub client library, so we can easily deal with MQTT connections. And so these are the credentials for Wi-Fi and broker. Here you can see we are using EMQ broker. So this is for the IFTT integration where we detect 110 waves. It will automatically send an email. So these for the ultrasonic sensor. These are just setting up Wi-Fi and MQTT connection. After that, we are going to the main loop. So in the main loop, it will try to connect to the MQTT. If not connected, after that, it will bring the MQTT connection. And when this for the detecting wave or pad, if detect 10 waves, it will send an email using email settings. So this is for the wave and pad detection. Say if we detecting a waves as if it is more than 10 centimeters and less than 30 centimeters away from the sensor, then it will be detect as a wave. So if it is less than 10 centimeters, it will detect as a send pad. It will send using my MQTT publish. And so we will publish message and our name and the topic. And so for that, this is for MQTT connection. This is callback function. Whenever a message will arrive, it will detect that message, and after that, it will search for whether it is a pad message or it is a pad message. It will blink that LED a different way. If it is a not a pad, then it will detect a LED in another way. So that is basically happening here. This is for the email sending. So we are using IFTT integration where we send HTTP GET request for the webhook. So it will send that email when we detect. This is the IFTT applet we have created for this. So, and this is the hardware we are using here. You can see that we are using an Arduino Nano 33 board. It's connect. These are 2, 3, 4 digital pins, and 4 goes for LED, and 2 and 3 goes for Eka and trigger and pin. They need to be connected this ultrasonic sensor. After that, this one is connected to here, but what are we doing here is we are powering the ultrasonic sensor using the Arduino Uno board because ultrasonic sensor need 5 volt. So we can use, you can see we are only using the 5 volt and the ground pin for the Arduino Uno to the ultrasonic sensor. So the echo and trigger pins come from the Arduino Uno board. Arduino Nano board. So it echo pins and give out of the 5 volt. So we had to reduce it up to 3.3 volts supporting the Arduino Nano board. So we are using voltage divider is 1K and 2 resistors to 1K resistor parallel. So it's 2K. So it divide this to 3.3 and then we are sending that Arduino Nano board, and that's basically the hardware setup. Here I have successfully uploaded the code to the board. So the serial monitor pin the distance from the sensor to the hardware in the way, and when we wave is send that we have subscribed to some topic, so we'll get a message and we'll detect it. So let's see. I am pressing my hand here now, so we can see a message arrive that I have sent wave and in blink, and I am showing it again. So detect and it says that message arrived. So now I'm going to show a pad. In a pad, we have to place our hand close to the sensor, so it will be blink fast. You can see it's blinking faster. I'm showing again. In blink fast compared to waves. I am going to show wave. So you can see now wave is being slow. So I'm going to place my hand to whether I'm getting a wave message to this connection. So I'm connecting to them. Subscribe to the topic and let's see whether you're receiving a message or not. I'm sending a pad. You can see I have a receiver pad and wave again. You can see I have a receiver wave. So now I'm going to show is I am sending a pad to this topic. It will be blink according to that. So let's check whether it will detect from the Arduino board. So I'm sending a pad. It blink faster. You can see it message received by the Arduino. If I send a wave from this, you can see it blink slowly. Here from that, after 10 waves detect, it will show that message sent it to the IFTT. Let's check my email. Refresh the page and you can see I have got email that 10 waves detected. That basically what we are doing here. Thank you.